Welcome back to part 3 of how to read a GIA certificate. We're now going to talk about the cut of the diamond. Now the word cut can be a very generic term. It can refer to a diamond's shape, facet structure pattern, proportions, or light performance. For this case, we'll be focusing on the proportions and light performance. When GIA grades the cut of the diamond, it uses a set of excellent proportion range to grade the diamond, and by visually analyzing the diamond under the GIA diamond dock. The idea behind this is that these excellent proportions can be used to predict the light performance of the diamond. However, this can be very inaccurate as the excellent proportion range can be very wide, and there are many problems with this approach, which I'll discuss later. This is why the term excellent can be a very loose term, where there is a good excellent and a bad excellent. These are where all these terms such as super ideal cut, ideal cut, and standard excellent cut comes about to differentiate these cut quality diamonds. However, these terms can be easily abused by jewelers to trick consumers into thinking they are getting a better diamond. So it's very important for consumers like yourself to learn how to truly distinguish if the diamond is really a super ideal cut, instead of relying on what the jewelers label them to be. On this section of the certificate, it shows you the proportions of the diamond, where you can obtain its table, depth, crown, and pavilion angles. A very useful tool that you can use is the Holloway Cut tool, also known as the HCA tool, which is available for free on pricescope.com. It's a very easy and simple tool to use. All you need to do is to key in the values you see on the certificate into the tool, which will give you a final score. The score ranges from 0.4 to 10, where generally, the lower the score, the better it is. For our super ideal cuts, we ensure that they have a score of 1.4 or below. For ideal cuts, it should have a score of 2 or below. A diamond with an excellent cut grade can get a score as high as 6, which shows you how loose the proportions can be for an excellent grade. The HCA tool is an easy and great tool to check if your diamond has good proportions. However, it should only be used as a rejection tool. This is because a low HCA score does not guarantee a good light performing diamond, but a high HCA score pretty much guarantees a poor proportion diamond. This is because the tool has many limitations and it only takes into account 17 out of a diamond's 57 facets. This means that a diamond with a good HCA score can still be a poor light performing diamond. You can learn more about this in another video which I linked in the description below. Once you have found a diamond with a low HCA score and good proportions, how you can check its light performance is by using the ideal and ASET scope. The ideal scope measures the brilliance of the diamond by analyzing its light return. The red areas on the ideal scope show strong light return. The more red there is, it means the brighter the diamond will be. The black area shows the contrast of the diamond, while the white areas are the light leakages. For a diamond to be brilliant, it needs to have a good balance of brightness and contrast. For example, if a diamond has too much light leakages, it will appear darker and duller as it is lacking brightness. Or if a diamond has too much contrast, it will make the diamond look duller as well and less brilliant. What you want is a good balance. The ASET scope, also known as the Angular Spectrum Evaluation tool, works the same way as the ideal scope by measuring the light return. But it gives us more information by revealing the weak light return, which are the green areas. The contrast is now blue under the ASET scope. Below is a graph showing good to bad ASET scope images to look out for. This helps us to analyze the fire, which is the flashes of rainbow colors when you see a diamond under direct lighting, and the scintillation, which are the sparkles and flashes when the diamond is moving. Now if you notice, all this information about the light performance is not available on the GIA certificate, and an excellent cut grade diamond can include all these poor diamonds with severe light leakages. This is why we strongly emphasize to check the diamond under the A-set scope and why cut is so important. Next up is the polish. Polish is the degree of smoothness on each facet of the diamond. For example, a very good polish grade, you would be able to view the polish residue on the facet under 10 to 20 times magnification. Next is the symmetry, which is how precise each facet aligns and intersects with each other. A diamond that is less symmetrical may have facets that reflect and misdirect light in angles that can cause light leakages and poorer light performance. However, do note that although GIA grades the symmetry of the diamond, they do not grade the optical symmetry. This means that a diamond with an excellent symmetry grade can still have visually unsymmetrical hearts and arrows. Hence, it is important for you to check the diamond under the hearts and arrows scope to ensure that your diamond is optically symmetrical. Finally, it's the fluorescence. The GIA states the intensity of fluorescence by starting off as none to faint, medium, strong, and very strong. Fluorescence is a natural occurrence in the diamond that can change the appearance of the diamond under UV light or sunlight. How GIA measures the intensity of fluorescence is by using a 365 nm UV light to shine on a diamond. The brighter the glow, the stronger the fluorescence. Fluorescence may negatively impact your diamond as there is a risk that your diamond will appear chalky or milky outdoors under sunlight. In addition, fluorescence can come in various colors such as blue, green, or even yellow. Usually, consumers going for a high color or high clarity grade will prefer to have no fluorescence as it may cause the diamond to look dull, milky, or with an off-color tinge. So there you have it guys, this is the end of our How to Read a GIA Certificate video series. I tried to keep it as brief and simple as possible. Do check out our YouTube channel where you can find more videos that discuss these topics in even greater details. If you have any questions, feel free to drop us an email at the description below. Thank you for watching.